afternoon, guys. Hello, welcome to another mommy session. Today we are making a cough mixture, home remedy. We have a lemon, garlic there, and some ginger roots, and honey, pure honey. So this is a mixture that we grew up drinking. It's not any form of medical advice, guys. That's a disclaimer, please. But it helps a lot with coughing and flu in general. Yeah, you just chop it up and put it in the pot, boil with water, and that's how it looks when it's done cooking for about 10 minutes. I just let it boil, yeah, and then you come in with the honey, stir, and then yeah, you let it cool down, and then the kids can drink it. It helps a lot with the cough. I don't want to lie. Thank you for watching. Bye.